We connect with fitpal.world to get more videos related to fitness. So press the subscription button and notification bell. One of the easiest form of meditation which works well for innovative people who need a point of focus is object meditation. Object meditation involves selecting on central entity on which to concentrate. The first part of meditation requires the eye to be directed only on the chosen object, which should be about 30 cm away. As you stare at the chosen object, try the following plan of action. Following benefits of meditation: it improved concentration, tranquility, release of stress, appreciation for the moment. First, object meditation. Try the following plan of action. Concentrate on each inhalation and exhalation, but breathe naturally and freely. Be aware of air entering your nose, filling your lungs and leaving the body. Try to empty the mind of all thoughts. If the mind becomes distracted, return the focus to the central object. Relax and begin again. As your body begins to relax, recognize the sensations but maintain focus on the object. Once you feel relaxed completely, try closing your eyes to see the imprint of object on your eyelid. Focus, breathe deeply and clear all thoughts until you are able to perform this meditation for at least 30 minutes. Another form of meditation which is easy enough for everyone is called mantra meditation. This is an especially useful type of meditation for people who are verbally motivated and is useful for all ages. Second, mantra meditation. To perform this meditation, one should first choose a keyword, sound or mantra. Follow steps through meditation. Sit in a comfortable position with closed eye. Begin breathing evenly in and out, but don't change the natural rhythm of your breaths. As you relax, begin repeating the chosen mantra in a whisper. From whispering, allow the mantra to be repeated only in your mind. If your mind wanders, return it to the sound again without remorse. Ignore the sign that your body is physically relaxing and become one with the mantra. Continue for a set period of time, whether 10 minutes or an hour. Open your eyes, stretch your body and enjoy the peaceful feelings.